Okay. So we have a HW25, and after we send all the things to response, it just stop here, doesn't go to the select directly, so we need to go to the HW25 response. Let it go to the select PHP. So how can I go to select PHP? How can I go to select PHP? 书任 Hey, refresh, header, and use refresh. In 1 second or 2 seconds, maybe 0 second, go to where? URL select.php. Then after it insert your SQL language, he will go to select directly. So you don't need to use this one once again. Okay, go back, refresh. So add anything and choose the file. Only have this file. Okay, submit. So he will go here and have an image in here. So remember in the last week I told you the delete, right? The delete function. I don't want to write by myself. I will tell the ChatGPT to do the delete function for me. So I will copy the select language, Control-A, Control-C, and put it into the ChatGPT and use 1, 2, 3. Put all your program within the triple quotation, and that means a program, okay? And use Shift-Enter. Shift-Enter means shift to another row, doesn't go to submit, okay? My program, program, showing above. Please add one more column with delete button. After user press the delete button, it will go to delete.php and link with the primary key MID. MID is your primary key in here, right? If I want to delete anything, modify anything, the primary key is showing here. So go here. The primary key is MID, and use MID to delete the record. Okay, so I just tell the ChatGPT to add one more column and use a button. Okay, double check. It will show up the image file. And for every column, he will add one more delete.php and use the hyperlink MID and link to the delete.php. Okay, so copy it, Control-A, Control-V, save it, go back to our select. So you can see every row has a delete to delete the record. So if I click delete, he will show up the alert. You want to delete a record? Yes, okay. He will go to the delete.php and also connect with the MID. And I know you know how to write the delete record, right? But in here, he will also give you the answer about the delete PHP. He will link the database and will get MID and delete from member where MID is equal to MID. So everything is under control. So you can copy it and put it into a new file. And this one is called delete.php. All types, save it. And check once again, link to the database, connect is fine. And if get MID, he will delete from member where MID is equal to MID, then query it, then refresh, go back to select.php. Got it? So let's go back here and refresh once again. So the first MID 1 will be delete. 1, 2, go here. Okay, so the delete insert is done. And I want to connect all of them. I want to add one more item, so I will make a menu to show up in front of every page. So I will generate a button. It's called add data. Select button. And you will have a hyperreference to hw25.php /a means the end. The other one is will show up all the things. Is a select, SELECT is a select data. And this one is a menu bar, so I will set it to menu.php. Set it. Okay. And for every PHP, I will use a require, require, require once to include the menu.php inside. So every PHP actually response doesn't need, select needs. So go here, menu, okay, so refresh. We have a add and select. And add will go here, select will go here. Got it? Okay, so today's classwork include add data and add the file, and select and delete. All things need to be connected together. Okay? So give to you. Do you need take a photo? Which one? The menu here, okay. But sometimes you can, use the CSS to let it more, colorful menu. Okay. And what else? Delete. Delete. And select. Select. Add one link to delete. And also use a require once to add the menu in here. And also add the require menu. Okay, so let you have a controller.